Ever felt confused between what to debit and what to credit? Trust me, you are not alone. But after today, you will understand this so clearly, you will never fear debits and credits again. Hello and welcome to JB's Mantra. If you are a student, fresher, or working professional aiming to grow in finance and accounting, you are in the right place. With 20 years of experience in core accounting operations, I am here to break down complex concepts into simple, practical learning. My goal is to help you build confidence, master the basics, and accelerate your career in the accounting world. So let's begin with the most fundamental concept in accounting: the debits and the credits. We have all struggled with this at some point. What to debit, what to credit, and when to do it? Thankfully, the golden rules make this very simple. These rules ensure every financial transaction is recorded accurately and consistently, forming the base of reliable financial statements. Let us look these golden rules one by one and try to understand its applicability. There are three golden rules of accounting. First one, personal account. Personal accounts deal with individuals, firms, and organizations. The rule says, debit the receiver, credit the giver. We apply this when recording transactions involving people or entities. Second rule, real account. Real accounts relates to assets, both tangible and intangible. The rule says, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This rule is applied whenever the assets enter or leave the business. Third rule, nominal account. Nominal accounts include business incomes, expenses, profits, and losses. The rule says, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Now, let's look at some real-life transactions to understand debits and credits in the simplest possible way, starting with a basic day-to-day scenario. Here's the trick. Always remember, every journal entry becomes easy when you follow 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the accounts involved in the transaction. Step 2. Determine the type of each account. Step 3. Apply the golden rule to decide what to debit and what to credit. Now that we know the step-by-step approach, let us apply it all to real-life transaction and see how debits and credits work in practice. Suppose you are paying electricity bill by cash. In this transaction, electricity expense account and cash account are the 2 accounts involved. Electricity bill being an expense, the nominal account rule will be applied. Debit the expense. Cash being an asset, the real account rule will be applied. Credit what goes out, as cash is going out of the business. As per the golden rules, the journal entry will be electricity bill account debit, cash account credit. Suppose you are purchasing goods for cash. In this transaction, purchase account and cash account are the 2 accounts involved. Purchase of goods being an expense, the nominal account rule will be applied. Debit the expense. Cash being an asset, the real account rule will be applied. Credit what goes out, as cash is going out of the business. As per the golden rules, the journal entry will be purchase account debit, cash account credit. Next example. Suppose you are receiving cash from a customer. In this transaction, cash account and customer account are the 2 accounts involved. Cash being an asset, the real account rule will be applied. Debit what comes in, as cash is coming in. Customer being the giver, the personal account rule will be applied. Credit the giver. As per the golden rules, the journal entry will be cash account debit, customer account credit. Next example. Suppose you are borrowing money from a friend. In this transaction, cash account and friend's account are the two accounts involved. Cash being an asset, the real account rule will be applied. Debit what comes in, as cash is coming into the business. Friend being the giver, the personal account rule will be applied. Credit the giver. As per the golden rules, the journal entry will be cash account debit, friend's account credit. Last example. Suppose you are paying a salary. In this transaction, salary account and cash account are the two accounts involved. Salary being an expense, the nominal account rule will be applied. Debit the expense. Cash being an asset, the real account rule will be applied. Credit what goes out, as cash is going out of the business. As per the golden rules, the journal entry will be salary account debit, cash account credit. I hope these practical examples have helped simplify the concepts of debit and credit and shown how to apply the accounting golden rules correctly. Do not worry if it feels difficult at first. With consistent practice, you will soon be recording transactions confidently like a pro. In the next video, we'll take these entries further and see how they appear in the books of both debtors and creditors. This helps you understand accounting from both sides of every transaction. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with someone learning accounting, and subscribe to JB's Mantra for more simple and practical lessons in finance and accounting.